In this video, I'm going to show you how to add coordinates in Google Earth. Now to do this, there's actually a few ways. So if you simply want to search for coordinates, you can do that by clicking on Search Google Earth top left, and you can type in your coordinates over here. That's the first way to do it. And then the second one is going to be to just basically position yourself anywhere on this map. And as you can see down here, when you click somewhere at the bottom right, it's always going to display you the coordinates. So you can just go ahead and copy these if you need them for anything, and it's going to work that way. So for example, if I copy these coordinates like that, and if I were to go somewhere else, and if I basically paste them in here, as you can see, it's going to take me directly over here, and it's going to take me to those coordinates just like that. Okay, so that's of course one way to do it. Just press the enter key and it's going to take you over there. Now the second thing you can do is use these place marks. So we can add the place mark anywhere, like for example, if I want to add it over here, so I'm going to just click over here to select the tool, click here in the middle, there we go, and it's going to basically put on a place mark, and you can just go ahead and title it whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to name this one road, and then description, I'm going to just click on over here, and I'm going to type in, for example, coordinates, and you can of course type them in here if you know them, or if you don't know them, that's also fine. So if I actually leave description like this and click on done, I can go ahead and see the location over here. You can copy it to clipboard, and then you can change it from here. Okay, so you can just click on that, go to the three dots over here, click on edit, and it's going to allow you to basically place in your coordinates over here, and that's going to allow you to basically know it as well. Or you could just put them into the title, the name of that specific mark over here, just like this. Click on done, and you'll have saved your coordinates over here on the left as well as over here on your map, okay, which is quite convenient. So that's essentially how to add coordinates in Google Earth. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.